Well, both the CDC and the World Health Organization are monitoring M-Pox outbreaks overseas, and some worry the outbreak could turn global if not taken care of. 2 News reporter Sartaj Singh spoke with local health experts about why it's important to keep track of how this virus spreads.
Previously, the World Health Organization stated M-Pox is a global health emergency, with testing and surveillance increasing in the United States. Health experts want to emphasize that this is just a precaution and that M-Pox does not spread the same way that COVID did years ago.
M-Pox is at the forefront of the health world as it continues to spread overseas. Both the CDC and the World Health Organization have sent out a multitude of alerts as cases continue to be monitored.
They did this declaration really for 3 reasons. First, it was unexpected. Second, it's got the potential for cross-border international transmission. And then finally, because it can transmit across borders, we need a coordinated international response.
Even with the warnings, health experts want to remind residents that M-Pox does not spread the same way COVID did.
It's not COVID. I think we're kind of wired right now to think about airborne aerosol droplet transmission, but that's not how this transmits. People that are at greatest risk for getting M-Pox are really, again, those are sexual contact, folks that have multiple sexual partners.
And travel also complicates the spread of the virus.
Worldwide travel is so open that it is very easy for what appears to be a localized outbreak to all of a sudden become a worldwide problem.
A vaccine against M-Pox is readily available, and those who are at risk are encouraged to get the vaccine as soon as they can. And even if the virus does mutate, the vaccine will still be effective.
It is very likely that we will see some varying iterations or varying modifications of this virus moving forward. That does not immediately mean that the vaccines become less effective or not effective.
And health experts also point to that fact that a vaccine is readily available to those who are at risk as another reason why this is not a similar situation to COVID. The World Health Organization has already recently announced their pre-qualifications of another M-Pox vaccine that will address the spread of the virus. In studio, Sartaj Singh, 2 News.